Have you ever felt super bored
I'm so bored!
or stressed at home?
Hey, you wanna fight?
Literally got nothing to do. Just staring at the corner of your house, doing nothing?
Well, let us introduce fidgets to you. Fidgets are small objects that you can have fun with by squeezing, pulling, moving around, and many more.
There are many types of fidgets that are available on the market right now. For example, we've got spinners, pop bubbles, stress balls, fidget cubes, and push balls. Each one of them gives you a different experience.
Fidgets attract teens through many ways, but especially the design and the functions are the one that mostly attracts them.
Fidgets were found back in the 1990s. Even though the inventor used many ways to advertise them, no one was willing to purchase them because back in the day, people were having fun doing outdoor activities. Not only that, the purposes of fidget were not mentioned too.
And that's where we come. We are here to flip the tables around and help people realize what are fidgets and their purposes.
The main purpose of fidgets is they help release stress and anxiety, especially for school and college students, since school and college life can be very stressful for them in many ways. If you're feeling really stressed in your class, you can just grab one of these out of your pocket and start playing with them. Not only that, you can master new skills playing with them.
Now, on to the requirements of owning fidgets. You have to be over 7 years to be playing with one of these because if not handled safely by the underage, it might harm them.
Now for the price. They range from 3 to 40 ringgit depending on the type or even the quality of the material. The pricier, the better.
You can get these fidgets on online shopping platforms such as Lazada, Shopee, or Amazon, or even on our own official website. And if you prefer to get them physically, they are available at Aeon Mall and at Tesco.
So, let us know what you guys think about fidgets.